Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how you can transfer crypto from crypto.com to Robinhood. So first thing you need to do is open up your crypto.com app and then you have to click on this accounts option from the bottom of your screen. After that, from this screen, you have to click on this crypto wallet option. Then on the screen, you will be able to see the total value of your cryptocurrency that you currently have. Now from this list of cryptocurrencies, you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. You can choose any currency you want, but I'm going to select Bitcoin. So just click on Bitcoin from here. And then you will see the similar screen. From here, click on this transfer button. Then from this pop-up window, you have to click on withdraw. And from this another pop-up window, you have to click on this external wallet option. Then on the screen, you have to click on this add wallet address button. Then you just have to paste the wallet address from your Robinhood. So just open up your Robinhood app and then go to the crypto option by clicking on this icon. And then under this holding tab, you will see all of your country cryptocurrency that you currently hold, or you can also use this search icon to search for the cryptocurrency that you want to receive. So just select the cryptocurrency from here and then you will see this similar screen. From here, you have to scroll down and then you will see this button called receive. So you have to click on it and then you will get your wallet address. So just click on this copy address button and then go back to your crypto.com app and then paste the wallet address in this area. And then you just have to enter the name of your wallet. You can enter any name and then just click on continue. After you do that, your wallet address will be added here and then you just have to click on this withdraw button right next to the wallet that you have added. After that, this might show you this screen. So just click on this confirm and withdraw. After that, you just have to enter the amount in your local currency, how much you want to transfer. And once you do that, click on withdraw. And lastly, you just have to confirm this withdrawal. Make sure your wallet address and the network type is correct and network type matches both in your Robinhood and your crypto.com app. And once you confirm this, click on confirm button and then just enter your passcode and your cryptocurrency will be transferred from crypto.com to your Robinhood. I hope this video helps you. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.